Two very different techniques, both featuring the same 4 ingredients: salt, pepper, clarified butter, and russet potatoes. One's a bit more rustic, one's a bit more refined. I'm gonna get these cleaned up and we're gonna be ready to go. Two things I need to remember about making a rösti is the second these potatoes hit the box grater, they're gonna start to oxidize. And two, that these potatoes are full of starch, and I need to remove that so my rösti becomes crispy on both sides. So, into ice water, and I can see right away that the water's turning milky. That's all the starch coming off the potatoes. Now the problem is how do I get all that water off the potatoes? I'm gonna use a rag. It's not rocket science, just gotta wring it out. That's it. Okay, bundle this up. We're gonna wring this bad boy. Now I've got my dry potatoes. And I know I said it was 4 ingredients, but I'm gonna add a bit of thyme. I love using fresh herbs and a bit of parsley to this mix. I've got a pan going on medium heat. Best thing to use for this for flavor is clarified butter. Clarified butter is simply butter that's been melted and the milk solids have been removed, and the butter has a higher smoking point. This is a rustic dish, but doesn't mean it has to look sloppy. So you can take a little spatula and clean up the edges.
You're on camera, chef.
What's that? Oh yeah, 2 minutes, we're looking too good. Look at that. Rösti. For the more refined version, palm Anna. Same 4 ingredients: salt, pepper, potatoes, clarified butter. I want everything to be symmetrical because after this is done, the bottom is going to become the top. I'm brushing each layer with clarified butter and salt and pepper. Making palm Anna is super therapeutic to me. There's something about it that is very, very, very relaxing. So, I'm gonna start this in a pan over medium heat. Get it with a little slick of clarified butter, just to get it going. And right over here, I've got one ready to go. You see around the edges, it's starting to get beautiful and golden. The oven's gonna finish the rest of the work. Check this out. This is amazing. This turned out perfectly, exactly how I wanted. Now let's taste this bad boy. Wow. So buttery and so rich. What a pleasure. Let's try this little fella. I like to dress it up with sour cream and some chives. I could eat this every day. Chefs, same 4 ingredients. Tell me what you think.